Hey, and we're back. Today we're doing chicken adobo in the Ninja Foodie. As you can see, I'm sauteing onions, olive oil. Now I'm going to add some garlic. And I will see you in a moment. Now I'm adding my chicken. And next you're going to see me pressure cook it in a moment. Now that we've seared it with the chicken in for 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup, almost a little more of vinegar, and then some soy sauce, like 2 to 3 teaspoons. Pour it over that. And now we're going to begin the pressure cooking process, and I will see you in a moment. 20 minutes under pressure and 10 minutes on saute, and we have chicken adobo. And if you look inside, got all that sauce to go with it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information, but I'm No Salt PP, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.